I actually have a Yeti decal to apply on here because I'm pretty sure this covers the Yeti decal once I do it. So let's put some stickers on. Always a clean surface with stickers, and work from one side and slowly work your way through the sticker as it applies down so you don't get air bubbles. A little bit of heat on there makes a world of difference for that to adhere nicely. Isopropyl alcohol, this is in an aerosol. This works great for cleaning. Doesn't take the shine off of plastics or off of the nice shine on here, and it takes away all the oils and grease from the surface so that you can the sticker doesn't have to compete with that. So this particular decal, because it's not all one piece and it's cut out in between the head, I am going to use some hot soapy water so I can shift it around, put it in place, and then I'll squeegee out the water and the air bubbles and apply it down nicely just so I get this straight and perfect. So just a little soft sponge, a little bit of warm soapy water here. Peel the sticker off. Always have clean hands while doing this so that you don't put grease on the back of the sticker. And now I can lay it into place. Okay, so that's looking good. Now I'm just going to get a squeegee and work out the water. As I work out the water, I'll dab it up with a paper towel. Just like that, we got a Yeti sticker adhered. That's going to stay on. I'll check that again in the morning and just double check that all the little sharp corners are laid down flat. As soon as they curl up a little bit, they let go, especially in the cold and the snow. So that's good. And then later on, we'll adhere the decals that come across here. And but in the meantime, we're going to get back with our cargo rack. All right, so taking our cargo rack, and we're going to apply our back bracket mount. So now we got our template stuck on in place where it needs to be. We can start drilling our holes. Okay, so because I'm upgrading this old 120 16 to a 129, I have come across these now rare rail extensions. So basically, it just replaces the standard 120 rail with this extended plate that bolts right in once you remove this, and then allows you to get the track wheel set back far enough to accommodate for the 129 track. And then take these out, Loctite them in. Now they came out with red Loctite, so they're going back in with red Loctite. It's probably the only thing on here right now that I probably use red Loctite on. And yeah, off we go. If a bolt doesn't move because of it's being stubborn, you definitely want to get some heat on it. I wouldn't use a torch. I'll probably just wind up blemishing the aluminum. So I just use a heat gun, hold on there for a few minutes, and get the Loctite softened off so she rolls out nice. I'm going to run the bolts in and out of these a couple times to clean out the old Loctite. Okay, and then we just basically mount on our plate, so. Apply some red Loctite to our new bolts. And there we have it. Rail extensions complete. Ready to put on the wheel and throw the track back on this thing. Okay, now they got them both on. Throw the track wheels back in. It's pretty easy to split these apart when the shocks and everything are loosened up on the bottom, the arms. And then your adjusters go back into the ends. Just got to line them up, like so. And because we got to get the track on there, we're going to want to push these back all the way, so it makes it easy to install the track. And then we'll adjust it, pull the track tight, and you're good to go. Don't forget, when you have this all said and done, you do want to put some blue Loctite on these axle nuts here. Okay, and now time to put the suspension inside here. This might be the trickiest thing. Okay, so there we go. It took a bit of time, had to get some help from my dad, but we got the track in, the suspension in, everything's good. So now I'm going to take these bolts, Loctite them up, torque everything up, and then put this track back on the bike and go riding. I hope you enjoyed. And put some stickers on, but sticker process is the same as the top, like I told you before when we did the Yeti logo at the top there. So enjoy your snow biking. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.